everyone. You are watching the Bharat and I am Divya presenting today's news bulletin. Let's start with some important headline first. A Mandal in Mumbai take insurance cover of rupees 316.40 crore for Ganesh Chaturthi. Iraq army declare curfew. Biden plan $1.1 billion arms sale for Taiwan. Serena Williams start favor campaign with win over Danka Kovnik. BJP has created 5 new organizational districts in Uttarakhand. All fronts and cells will be formed by September 15. Now news in details. God Saraswat was Brahmin Seva Mandal has set up Mumbai's richest Ganesh Pandal in the King Circle area of Mumbai and has taken an insurance cover of a record 316.40 crore. Traditionally, Lord Ganesh of GSB Seva Mandal is decorated with ornaments of gold and other precious metal for Ganesh Chaturthi celebration, which will be begin on August 31. The Mandal has taken insurance for New Indian Assurance for the total amount rupees 31.97 crore. Risk insurance cover include precious metal like gold, silver and other jewelry. It also covers installation like CCTV cameras, scanners, computers, utensils, groceries, fruits and vegetables. In the next news, a girl who was allegedly set on fire by a person after she did not reciprocate his proposal in Jharkhand's Dumka district succumbed to her burn injury on Sunday. The police said the accused has been arrested. Accused Saruk poured petrol on her and set her abza on August 23. She was set on fire in a case of inaccurate law. A student of class 12th, Ankita Kumari, has been forced admitted to the Phulo Jano Medical College and Hospital in Dumka in critical condition. Later, she was referred to Ranchi's Rajendra Institute of Medical Science for better treatment. Now, some international news. The Biden administration intend to ask the U.S. Congress to approve an estimated $1.1 billion arm to sale Taiwan. The protest started shortly after Sadar's tweet. His support entered the Republican place, a government building inside Baghdad's fortified Green Zone. The Green Zone also houses diplomatic mission. In the next side, the situation in the Iraq took a turn for the worse on Monday as at least 15 people were killed and 100 were injured in clashes between the followers of Shia cleric Muqtada al-Sadr and the militant Baghdad's Green Zone. The protesters were staging sit-ins at the parliament complex when the clashes broke out following al-Sadr's announcement to retire from politics. The protesters beached the entrance of the presidential place and they were met with tear gas and stun. Moving ahead in the news, let's talk about major news of Uttarakhand. Chief Minister Pushkar Singh Dhami said that today the Bharatiya Janata Party has reached this stage because of its work in the direction of social change. BJP has connected the society with itself on the basis of contemplation and contemplation. As part of the preparation for the Lok Sabha election 2024, the Bharatiya Janata Party has formed 5 new organizational districts in the state. On the other hand, the front and cell of the new team of State President Mahendra Bhatt will be formed by September 15. We'll be back after a short break.
ITM हमारा, इसमें बहती ज्ञान की गंगा है, इसमें रहती प्रेम की यमुना है, सिद्धांतों का उच्च हिमालय है, भक्ति सिखाता एक तिरंगा है, गुरुकुल जैसा प्यारा ये ITM हमारा, सच्चे सपनों सा प्यारा ये ITM हमारा, ITM हमारा, ये इंस्टीट्यूट हमारा, सच्चे सपनों सा प्यारा ये ITM हमारा, ITM हमारा, ये इंस्टीट्यूट हमारा, सच्चे सपनों सा प्यारा ये ITM हमारा.
Welcome back to the Bharat. Days after quitting Congress, former Jammu and Kashmir Chief Minister Ghulam Nabi Azad, referring to Prime Minister Narendra Modi, stated that he had a wrong perception of the country's leader. I used to think PM Modi must be cute man. I thought he won't care since does not have a wife or any kid. But he showed humanity, said Azad. The former union minister was referring to an incident last year when he was retiring from the parliament's upper house. Example, Rajya Sabha. The Uttar Pradesh police registered a case against 16 people for offering namaz together in a house in the state's Moradabad district without taking prior permission from authorities. Some member of the Hindu community said that the two persons, Wahid and Mustaqim, had been offering namaz in their homes with several people. However, this was being opposed by some Hindus who filed a complaint against them. Serena Williams swept into the US Open second round on Monday on an emotional night in New York in what is expected to be the 23rd time Grand Slam title winner final tournament. The 40-year-old defeated Danka Kovnik of Montenegro 6-3, 6-3 in front of more than 23,000 fans on Other Ashe Stadium court. Former world number 1 million had won just one match on tour all year and seen her ranking slip to 605. Institute of Technology and Management Dehradun has organized the 4-day orientation program for its new batches, of which today was the second day, where the event started with lamp lighting and further moved forward to the speeches of HODs from all the departments. After that, the session was taken forward by our guest motivational speaker and corporate trainer Rajiv Yadav, and the event concluded with vote of thanks. That's all for today. Thank you for watching the Bharat.